Thanks again for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. We're still tracking Jose. Actually, it has been a named storm now for 13 days. It becomes the longest lived Atlantic storm so far this season. It is nearing the northeast. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about Maria now, a Category 3 hurricane moving into the Lesser Antilles today, and it could be packing quite a punch as it nears Puerto Rico again over the next couple of days. And we have an enhanced severe threat in the Midwest tomorrow. This is a look at Jose. Nice counterclockwise circulation here. Unfortunately, this is lifting north, and it will be impacting parts of the northern New England states. There's your tropical storm watches in yellow from the Delmarva Peninsula, but we do have tropical storm warnings in place in blue. It is expected to be downgraded once we head into that early Wednesday time period down to a storm, but maybe making a loop once again, and could kind of just linger through the weekend and even early next week. But there's a look at some of the outer bands impacting the region as early as this evening. Out near the Cape, the winds will be increasing there as well. Again, we have tropical storm warnings in place out near the Cape in southeastern Massachusetts. So there's Jose and Hurricane Maria, Category 3 storm. This is what it looks like on the visible satellite, and we're starting to see maybe what could be an eye develop there. The storms surrounding that center of circulation really intensifying, allowing the wind to really intensify as well. All the areas in red indicate the hurricane warnings also being issued for parts of eastern Puerto Rico, and that track lives right to the northwest through the Turks and Caicos and eventually north of the Bahamas. So really watching that one very closely. Meanwhile, the eastern Pacific still pretty active with Otis and Norma as tropical storms. Meanwhile, we have winter storm watches posted for Mount Rainier. Some snowfall amounts there could be 8 to 14 inches, but over the next few days, we could have some snow in the high elevations, but much needed precipitation moving in to these areas. Unfortunately, as we get downstream tomorrow, an enhanced threat of severe weather.